Danielle Cook, and I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. I'll be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. We're going to be cooking and gardening all summer long. And today I'm going to show you how to do a raw beet salad with oranges and spring greens. But first, we're going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, and she's going to share some tips on maintaining and harvesting your spring greens. So let's get started.
Hi, my name is Adrienne Cook, and today we're going to be harvesting from the garden. We're going to start with some spring greens. Young spring greens can be cut back with good scissors for a harvest of baby greens. The plants will quickly grow new leaves for continuing harvest until it gets hot. Mature lettuce is pulled from the ground, root and all. We snap off the root, and the salad is ready to eat. This one is going to Danielle. Broccoli is ready to harvest when it looks like broccoli. You'll need a knife to harvest the heads. Reach in, cut a good clean cut, and go to the next one. Plants will keep making new button heads all around the cut area, so you can keep harvesting those right up through July.
And here's the beautiful lettuce from Adrienne's garden that we're going to use today. But first, we're going to slice up some beets and work with our oranges and get a delicious dressing put together. Here's what you're going to need for today's recipe. Peel your beets and then, using a hand guard, carefully slice them paper thin on a mandolin or a handheld slicer. I'll add the slices to my bowl with the other slices and now prepare the orange, getting rid of the skin and cutting carefully between the membranes to remove each segment. Okay, let's assemble this salad. The greens, and then the slices of raw beets. Look at these beautiful colors. This salad is packed with antioxidants, and beets contain a lot of vitamin A and vitamin C and iron, potassium, lots of fiber. And now let's add our oranges. The dressing today is going to be a combination of Dijon mustard and white wine vinegar. You can also use champagne vinegar and some lemon juice. Shake that together and then add a little salt and your olive oil and shake again until it's well emulsified. I picked some basil and some parsley and some chives from my garden this morning, so I'm going to add those in. You can use any combination of fresh herbs that you might have on hand. Drizzle your salad, give it a light toss. I like to add a little bit more dressing and actually let it marinate for a little while. You can even pop it in the fridge for 15 or 20 minutes. And lastly, your fresh herbs and a good grinding of black pepper. Oh, gorgeous and so healthy. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next week.